Very warm welcome on behalf of the industrial software segment.
We have the representatives here up on stage.
My name is Ansgar Korhummel. I'm Senior Vice President Strategy and Partnerships at Siemens IoT Services in Munich. So we're helping our clients to really develop an end-to-end IoT strategy, bring it to life, develop the applications and implement it at scale. To a certain degree, we are the IoT one-stop shop by Siemens. AWS is a great partner to realize very complex projects. For example, we just created a performance optimizer for one of our industrial clients. The task was to look at the manufacturing lines and combine the real-time data with content that we had from, for example, ERP systems like SAP, and run simulations how to optimize the production. As a result, we prototyped together with AWS at about 10% of the cost that it would have been if we had prototyped on a local system. The results that we created after the prototype were increase of the throughput of about 30 to 50%.